Peruvian cuisine is a blend of indigenous Andean, Spanish, and Asian influences, resulting in a diverse and flavorful cuisine that's considered one of the best in the world. Peru's rich culinary heritage is rooted in its history and geography, with ingredients and cooking techniques that reflect the country's diverse climate, geography, and cultural traditions. Peru's rich culinary heritage is rooted in its history and geography, with ingredients and cooking techniques that reflect the country's diverse climate, geography, and cultural traditions. One of Peru's most famous dishes is ceviche, a seafood dish that's typically made with raw fish marinated in lime juice, onions, chili peppers, and salt. Ceviche is often served with sweet potatoes, corn, and other vegetables and is a popular dish along Peru's coast. Another traditional dish is ají de gallina, which is a creamy chicken dish made with chili peppers, bread, cheese, and milk. The dish is often served with rice and potatoes and is a popular comfort food in Peru. Rocoto relleno is another traditional dish that's popular in the Arequipa region of Peru. It's a spicy dish made with rocoto peppers stuffed with meat, cheese, and vegetables and is often served with potatoes and peanuts. Peru is also famous for its street food, including anticuchos, which are grilled skewers of marinated beef heart. Causa rellena is another street food favorite that's made with mashed potatoes filled with chicken, tuna, or vegetables. Peru is also known for its unique beverages, including pisco sour, which is a cocktail made with pisco, lime juice, egg whites, and bitters. Peru is also known for its unique beverages, including pisco sour. Which is a cocktail made with pisco, lime juice, egg whites, and bitters. Another popular drink is chicha morada, a non-alcoholic beverage made from purple corn, cinnamon, cloves, and fruit. In conclusion, Peru's cuisine and traditional food reflect the country's rich cultural heritage and diverse geography. From seafood ceviche to creamy ají de gallina, spicy rocoto relleno, and flavorful street food, Peru's cuisine offers a unique and delicious culinary experience. The country's famous beverages, including pisco sour and chicha morada, add to the overall experience and make Peru a must-visit destination for foodies around the world. Peruvian cuisine is also famous for its use of indigenous ingredients like quinoa, amaranth, and purple corn, which have become increasingly popular worldwide due to their health benefits. Peruvian cuisine is also famous for its use of indigenous ingredients like quinoa, amaranth, and purple corn, which have become increasingly popular worldwide due to their health benefits. Quinoa, for example, is a high-protein grain that's often used as a substitute for rice or pasta in Peruvian dishes. Amaranth, another ancient grain, is used in bread, porridge, and desserts. Papa a la huancaína is another traditional Peruvian dish that features potatoes and a creamy sauce made with cheese, chili peppers, and milk. The dish is often served with boiled eggs, olives, and lettuce and